Hey there, fellow bloggers and aspiring content creators. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of blogging in 2025, where AI tools are revolutionizing the game. If you've been dreaming of starting a blog that goes viral, you're in for a treat. Let's explore how to kickstart your blogging journey using nothing but AI. Well, picture this. You wake up with an idea for a blog post. First and foremost, it's crucial to find your niche. Even with AI, you need to bring your unique perspective and passion to the table. Once you've nailed down your focus, it's time to leverage AI tools to streamline your content creation process. With the time you save on content creation, you can focus on promoting your blog and engaging with your audience. Instead of spending hours researching and writing, you simply feed your concept into an AI writing tool. It's an exciting time to be a blogger, with technology making it easier than ever to create high-quality content. Remember, the key is to use AI as a powerful ally in your creative process, not as a crutch. Now get out there and start blogging. The AI-powered future of content creation is waiting for you. This will give you a solid foundation to work from. Then, put your personal touch on the content, injecting your experiences and insights. Remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for your creativity. Within minutes, you've got a well-structured article that captures your voice and style, but it doesn't stop there. This is a game changer for making your blog posts stand out in a sea of stock photos. Do UNT forget about SEO? Utilize AI-powered tools to optimize your content for search engines without sacrificing readability. You can use AI to generate eye-catching images, create engaging infographics, and even produce short video clips to complement your post. The result, a multimedia blog post that's primed for virality, all created with the help of AI. First things first, let's talk about the AI tools that are changing the blogging landscape. In 2025, we've got some seriously impressive tech at our fingertips. From AI-powered writing assistants to image generators and even video creation tools, the possibilities are endless. These tools are not just making our lives easier, they're completely transforming how we approach content creation. Now, you might be wondering, what does blogging look like in 2025 with AI? But here's the million-dollar question. What is the best blogging methodology when you restarting from scratch in this AI-driven world? Start by using AI writing assistants to generate outlines and rough drafts. Next, use AI image generators to create custom visuals that perfectly match your content. Lastly, consistency is key. Set up a content calendar and use AI to help you stick to it. So there you have it, folks. Your roadmap to starting a viral blog in 2025 using